Nestled in the heart of Karnataka, Lakshmeshwar remains a relatively unknown treasure. This ancient town whispers tales of a rich and vibrant past. Located in the Gadag district, Lakshmeshwar is easily accessible from major cities. Its charm lies in its ability to transport visitors to a bygone era. The town seamlessly blends history, spirituality, and natural beauty. It offers a unique and captivating experience for every traveler. The town's history is deeply rooted in the heritage of Karnataka. It has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, leaving behind architectural wonders. Lakshmeshwar beckons travelers to delve into its historical tapestry. It's a journey of discovery waiting to be undertaken. Lakshmeshwar holds a significant place in the annals of history, not just as a town, but as a beacon of cultural and political heritage. It served as the former capital of the illustrious Puligere 300, a kingdom that left an indelible mark on the region's history. This ancient kingdom flourished under the Chalukya dynasty, a period marked by remarkable advancements in art, architecture, and governance. The Chalukyas were instrumental in shaping the political and cultural landscape of the Deccan region, and Lakshmeshwar was at the heart of this transformation. The town's historical importance is evident in its numerous temples and monuments, each narrating a story of its own. These structures stand as testaments to its glorious past, showcasing the architectural prowess and artistic sensibilities of the era. Beyond its political significance, Lakshmeshwar was also a renowned center of learning and literature, attracting scholars from far and wide. The celebrated Kannada poet Adikavi Pampa graced the town with his presence, contributing immensely to its literary heritage. He is believed to have composed some of his most famous works in Lakshmeshwar, works that continue to resonate with readers and scholars today. His legacy continues to inspire generations of poets and scholars, making Lakshmeshwar a perpetual source of literary inspiration. The town's association with Pampa adds a rich literary dimension to its historical significance, intertwining the threads of culture, history, and literature. This multifaceted legacy solidifies Lakshmeshwar's position as a cultural hub of ancient Karnataka, a place where history, art, and literature converge to tell the story of a bygone era. Among Lakshmeshwar's architectural treasures, the Someshwara temple stands tall. This ancient structure, with its majestic presence, has been a silent witness to centuries of history and culture. This magnificent temple is a testament to the architectural prowess of the Chalukya era. The Chalukyas, known for their innovative and intricate designs, have left an indelible mark on Indian architecture. Its intricate carvings and towering structure leave visitors in awe. Each carving tells a story, a narrative from ancient times, meticulously etched into stone. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is renowned for its Chalukyan style of architecture. This style is characterized by its detailed and elaborate stonework, which can be seen throughout the temple complex. The temple's main entrance, or gopuram, is adorned with elaborate sculptures depicting various deities and celestial beings. These sculptures are not just decorative, they serve as a visual representation of the rich mythology and religious beliefs of the time. As one steps inside, they're greeted by a spacious courtyard. This courtyard, with its serene ambience, offers a tranquil space for reflection and prayer. The main shrine houses a Shiva Linga, a symbol of Lord Shiva. This sacred symbol is the focal point of worship and devotion within the temple. The temple's pillars are adorned with intricate carvings. These carvings, each a masterpiece in its own right, showcase the skill and artistry of the craftsmen of that era. They narrate stories from Hindu mythology. These stories, immortalized in stone, provide a glimpse into the rich cultural and religious heritage of ancient India. The Someshwara temple is not just a place of worship. It is a sanctuary where history, art, and spirituality converge, offering a unique experience to all who visit. It's a living testament to the artistic brilliance of a bygone era. The temple stands as a beacon of the Chalukyan legacy, inviting us to explore and appreciate the grandeur of ancient Indian architecture. Another architectural gem that graces Lakshmeshwar is the Lakshmi Lingeshwara temple. This temple stands as a magnificent testament to the town's rich cultural and historical heritage. Nestled amidst the serene surroundings, the temple's grandeur is evident from the moment you set eyes on it. The intricate details and the sheer scale of the structure are awe-inspiring, drawing visitors from far and wide. This temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is renowned for its unique and exquisite features. As you approach the entrance, the beautifully carved doorway sets the tone for the architectural marvels that lie within. The craftsmanship displayed here is a fine example of the skills possessed by the artisans of that era. The temple's most striking aspect is its polished pillars. These pillars, meticulously crafted and polished to perfection, stand as silent sentinels of the temple's glorious past. Each pillar tells a story, with its intricate designs and motifs that have stood the test of time. They gleam brilliantly, reflecting the sunlight. The play of light and shadow on these pillars creates a mesmerizing effect, adding to the temple's ethereal beauty. It's a sight that leaves visitors spellbound, making them pause and admire the artistry involved. The Lakshmeshwar temple is believed to have been built during the reign of the Chalukyas. This dynasty, known for its patronage of art and architecture, has left an indelible mark on the region. The temple stands as a proud reminder of their contribution to Indian heritage. It showcases a blend of architectural styles. The fusion of different styles is evident in the temple's design, reflecting the diverse influences that have shaped its construction. This amalgamation of styles adds to the temple's uniqueness, making it a fascinating study for historians and architects alike. The temple's sanctum houses a large Shiva linga, which is said to be self-manifested. This sacred symbol of Lord Shiva is revered by devotees who believe in its divine origins. The sanctum, with its serene ambience, offers a place for quiet reflection and prayer. The temple's walls are adorned with intricate carvings. These carvings, depicting various deities and mythological scenes, are a testament to the artistic prowess of the craftsman. Each carving is a masterpiece in itself, showcasing the rich iconography of Hindu mythology. They depict scenes from Hindu mythology. These scenes, brought to life through detailed carvings, narrate stories from ancient texts, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Indian culture and tradition. Visitors can spend hours exploring these carvings, each one revealing a new story. The Lakshmeshwar temple is a testament to the architectural and artistic heritage of Lakshmeshwar. It stands as a beacon of the town's glorious past, attracting historians, art enthusiasts, and spiritual seekers alike. The temple's enduring beauty and historical significance make it a cherished landmark. It's a must-visit for anyone seeking to delve into the town's rich past. Whether you're an avid historian, an architecture enthusiast, or simply someone looking to experience the spiritual ambience, the Lakshmeshwar temple offers something for everyone. Its timeless beauty and serene surroundings make it a perfect destination for reflection and exploration. Lakshmeshwar's religious landscape is not just limited to Hinduism. The town also boasts a significant Jain heritage. This is evident in the presence of ancient Jain basadis or temples. These basadis serve as centers of worship and pilgrimage for the Jain community. The Jain basadis in Lakshmeshwar are known for their simple yet elegant architecture. They stand as reminders of the town's religious diversity and tolerance. One of the most notable basadis is dedicated to Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism. The basadis house beautiful sculptures of Jain Tirthankaras. They offer a glimpse into the principles and teachings of Jainism. The presence of these basadis adds another layer to Lakshmeshwar's rich cultural tapestry. Beyond its historical and architectural marvels, Lakshmeshwar is also blessed with natural beauty. The town is surrounded by lush green fields. They create a serene and tranquil ambience. The gentle breeze carries the scent of wildflowers. It adds to the town's charm. The rural landscape surrounding Lakshmeshwar offers a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Visitors can stroll through the fields, they can enjoy the fresh air and soak in the tranquility. The natural beauty of the surroundings complements the town's historical and spiritual significance. It makes Lakshmeshwar a destination where one can find peace and rejuvenation. A walk through the streets of Lakshmeshwar is like stepping back in time. The town has managed to preserve much of its traditional architecture. The houses, with their tiled roofs, wooden balconies, and intricately carved doors, exude a unique charm. Many of these houses have been passed down through generations. They offer a glimpse into the lifestyle of the people in the bygone era. The traditional architecture of Lakshmeshwar is a testament to the town's rich cultural heritage. It serves as a reminder of the town's enduring legacy. Lakshmeshwar is a destination that offers a unique blend of history, spirituality, and natural beauty. It's a place where one can step back in time. Visitors can explore ancient temples, admire architectural wonders, and immerse themselves in the tranquility of nature. Whether one is a history buff, a spiritual seeker, or a nature lover, Lakshmeshwar has something to offer everyone. The town's rich heritage and serene surroundings make it an ideal destination for a weekend getaway or a longer exploration. Lakshmeshwar is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Lakshmeshwar stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of Karnataka's heritage. It's a town where history whispers in every corner, where spirituality permeates the air and where nature embraces you with open arms. Lakshmeshwar is more than just a destination, it's an experience, a journey through time and nature. Its ancient temples, serene landscapes and welcoming locals beckon travelers to uncover its secrets. Lakshmeshwar awaits your discovery.